Hello students of class 12. Today in English study we will start our from Vista's book chapter 6 On the Face of It. It's written by Susan Hill. On the Face of It means it is a play. It is a play in which given the story of a old man and a teenager boy. The old man's name was Mr. Lamb and teenager's boy name was Derry. The scene started from the garden of Mr. Lamb, having the apple gardens and very, comfortable atmosphere where there he was sitting under the apple trees. And Derry means want to enter on that garden, means he was coming, entering the garden, and his face was burned by the acid one side. So in the feeling of disability, he want to avoid the persons, means he dislike to meet anyone because he have this feeling no one is like him because he was not good looking. So okay, and then means as well as he want to leave the garden, then already means Mr. Lamb was present there. He have stopped him and he want to means talk with him. So and then he have called to Derry and Derry came near to him. They sat together and they have started talking. Then means when Mr. Lamb have asked to Derry why you were means going from there, then he have told that he was coming from a long distance and he have not taken the permission of his mother. So and one thing also he have told that no one is like him. Everyone means all the children were teasing him like as that burnt faces. Then Mr. Lamb also have told him that he have only one leg. One leg he have cut it down means in an accident when he was in army that time, in accident time, and he have tin leg. So children called him Lemmy leg, Lemmy lamb. Okay, in this way, two disabled persons means were sharing their opinion to each other, and they also thought that means they can share their means happiness and sorrowfulness to each other, but they want to avoid the public because they have this thinking, and I think it is the disabled thinking that no one is like it. आपने देखा होगा कि आपकी क्लास में या फिर सोसाइटी में अगर कोई डिजेबल पर्सन है तो वो लोगों से दूरी बना के रखने का प्रयास करता है क्योंकि उसे लगता है कि कोई उसको पसंद नहीं करता है, इसलिए वो किसी से अपनी बातें शेयर करने में हिचकिचाता है. सेम सिचुएशन हैपन इन दिस प्ले. ओके, आफ्टर दैट means after a long conversation, Derry means want to go from there because he had to take permission of his mother and he had came without permission. Then Lamb had said means you can go but must come again. Okay, Derry have also expresses about the people's hatredness. उसे लगता है कि लोग मुझसे घृणा करते हैं और उसे ये भी लगता है कि मुझे कोई लाइक नहीं करेगा, मुझे कोई किस नहीं करेगा क्योंकि मेरे फेस जो है वो जला हुआ है. ओनली माई मदर इज लाइकिंग मी एंड शी कैन किस मी आल्सो इन होल ओवर द यूनिवर्स. मीन्स एक टीनेजर के लिए ये फीलिंग्स जो है बहुत ही मायने रखती है कि कोई उसको पसंद ना करे, कोई उसको लाइक ना करे, कोई उसको प्यार ना करे. तो ये सारे डिप्रेशन उसके दिमाग में चलते रहते हैं. After that, next time when Derry was coming there, that time on that day Mr. Lamb was waiting from a long time and he also become hopeless, means Derry will not come because due to disability. But Derry have came there and as entered in the garden, then means he have seen that Mr. Lamb become slip from the ladder. वो सीढ़ी पर चढ़ रहा था, सीढ़ी से स्लिप करके गिर गया और उसने देखा डेरी ने, फिर वो आकर के उसको बुलाता है. After calling several times, when Lamb have not replied, then he came to near and shake him, and he have seen that Mr. Lamb become dead. And then he started to crying there and weeping Derry. And he have seen that old person means after spending the whole life become died. And no one was coming there except Derry. Okay, in this loneliness he have means left that universe and world. इसका मतलब यह है कि डिजेबल पर्सन्स जो हैं उनका बहुत सारा अकेलापन, खालीपन होता है, जिससे वो अपने आप को उसी में उलझाए रखते हैं और लास्ट टाइम भी वहाँ पर कोई नहीं आया था. ओके, means in this way we can say that on the face of it, means in this chapter writer want to express that disabled persons have different feelings, so they unable to mingle with the society, and they have also one feeling also, means no one is like him, so they have this type of opinion become in their life and their life become miserable. But writer here want to say that people should never shame on their situation. They should means live their life easily. They should always be positive and optimistic in their life, and they should live their life as the common peoples, because it is not in their hand to change something. Okay, so means students, you should also take the lesson from this chapter, means always be positive, think positive and cooperate the peoples. Thanks.